Smoked stuffed chicken marsala. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, we're going to be using our stuffing mix, which is going to be Italian panko, 3 cheese Italian, sun-dried tomatoes, chopped parsley, unsalted butter melted into a mixing bowl. Give this a nice gentle mix and set aside. Very nice. Now we're going to be taking our 3 chicken breasts, cutting slits into the chicken nicely, just like so. Coating this with salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, and sprinkle a little paprika for some nice color. Rub on all sides and set aside. Once ready, we're going to be stuffing our stuffing, just like so, into the middle of the chicken. Placing this onto our baking sheet. Bake at 275 till it reaches 160 degrees. Onto our Marsala sauce, we're going to be taking some extra virgin olive oil, melting some unsalted butter. Next goes in chopped shallots, cooked to translucent, just like so. Very nice. Half cup of Marsala wine goes in next. Cook this till reduced down to nothing to remove all alcohol. From here, we're going to be adding in 6 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. Minced garlic goes right in next. Saute to translucent, make sure not to burn. Then adding in miso paste for some amazing umami flavor. Half cup of chicken stock goes in next. Once this has a simmer, add in our heavy cream. Very nice. For a nice dark color, we're going to be adding in just a little bit of dark soy sauce, pinch of pepper, and transferring this over into our smoker, just like so. Add the sauce halfway through. Once chicken is almost ready, we're going to be placing the chicken right on top to the sauce. Cook till chicken is done. Once ready, we're going to be taking this inside, scooping our sauce right on top, just like so. Garnishing this with some parsley and some cheese is optional. Very nice. We're going to be serving this with a Italian Saison Chardonnay. Fruity aromas of apple, banana scent, savory, crisp acidity, perfect marries of jammy flavors. And there we have it. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.